And a good hello to you, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life for some football Tai Chi. Yeah, I'm trying to put those things together to get more people interested in doing some Tai Chi, especially in the morning. Now, understand, know your own limitations. If I do a deep knee bend and you can't do a deep knee bend, don't do one. Do it about halfway. And also, as you want to get more advanced, get you a ball, get you one with some weight. Maybe get one that is a medicine ball, because they come in different sizes and weights. So consider that, or maybe even a dumbbell. Do it with some dumbbells. But if not, by all means, Tai Chi is all about motion and flexibility. A lot of it is there in the knees. So anytime here I am standing up, you see my shirt here, you see me do this, that means I'm bending my knees. So keep that in mind. So come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life Football Tai Chi Edition. So there's a lot of different positions in football. I just want to take you through. There's your line, there's your receivers, there's your blockers, there's your defensive guys, there's your quarterback. So there's a lot more than just the quarterback. So let's start with most people's favorite, which of course is the quarterback. So most of these moves, I want you to bend your knees ever so slightly. The more you can bend them, the better. And you just want to kind of move side to side. Okay, so we're going to start with the hike. So almost every quarterback, when they go up underneath center, they'll bend their knees ever so slightly, put their hands just like this on the ball, and that ball is going to get hiked. Now I want you to take a step back and pull that ball back. So take a step back, pull the ball up, down. All these exercises, do at least 3 times. If you want to do them in an extra set, maybe do this one here and then do another exercise somewhat like this. Now let's fake a guy out. One of my favorites is the figure 8. You notice as I'm doing this, I'm leaning side to side, but I'm keeping my weight over top of my knee. I'm not going way out here, trying to get my foot off the ground. I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to lean over, try to keep your weight no further than on top of that knee there. So let's go here. All these you want to do at least three times. Let's do a full. Let's put them together. We're going to do hike, roll back, and through. Hike, roll back, and through. Hike, pull back, and through. You notice my other hand here. It's not just dead. It's not just. You want to kind of lean it up. That's good for the shoulders. Let's try it again. Hike, lean back, and through. Let's do the same for the other side. See if I can do that. Hike, lean back, and through. Hike, lean back, and through. Now the other thing they'll do in quarterback is they'll hand the ball off. So let's go hand the ball off, and back, hand the ball off, and back, hand the ball off. Now who's going to get that ball? Anybody? You know? Oh, what did you say? Oh, yes, exactly. The running back's going to get that ball. Normally the tailback is a blocker. Sometimes he's an option. So they're going to give the ball. And what's he going to do back here? He's going to grab the ball like this, take a step forward. You notice I'm dipping as I go in. The ball comes to him, gets handed off. Nice and easy. Again, even with the knee, when that knee comes forward, you don't want to go past that level of the knee. You want to stick with that. So that knee's here. I'm not gonna go past it. I'm gonna meet that knee up there. Great exercises. What about a receiver? I'm open. Kind of like the basketball one, huh? I'm open. Throw me the ball. 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 Now let's go look at some of our linemen. Our linemen will get all the way down in a 3-point stance. If you can touch the ground, great. If not, that's okay. Spread your legs a little further than the shoulder, so I got my feet about this far apart. I'm just going to touch the ground, and then I'm going to come up. touch the ground, come up. Touch the ground, come up. Now, if you're more advanced, you want to just touch the ground, come up. Maybe even you want to incorporate a jump. There's not much of jumping in Tai Chi though, but it's your option. If you want to increase that exercise, any of these, you want to go to the next level, do some more energy. Go maybe a little faster. For our beginners, let's go ahead and push that guy too. Let's push him to the left. My right. You're right, my left. Great things. Now, the other things blockers will do is they'll move side to side. So I'm going to, again, slightly bend my knees. I'm going to shift side to side. Don't ever step out first. Always step together first, then out. Together, out. Because if you don't, then you're going to be doing this together. So you always want to step forward and then out. Step forward, then out. When I say forward, I'm talking about together. So I'm together now. Step out, together, out, together. Let's incorporate some of the knee bends. So now I'm together. I'm going to step out, knee bend in. Again, bring that weight over that leg. Together. My foot's out. I'm going to dip, nice and easy. Together. Now let's go just a little faster. That's good. Maybe give ourselves a nice motion dip. Breathing's always good. Let's go back to that quarterback motion now. Get those shoulders involved. Do that shoulder again. Let's go to the left. All right, hike. Let's go to the right. Hike. I just enjoy the quarterback position. Go out center. Go out to the right. Go out center. Go to the right. Turn my body. You always want to step forward with the opposite hand that you're with. So you never want to throw like this across your body. You always want to throw, you don't want to throw across your body, but you want your body to naturally move and twist. Right leg forward, because I'm throwing with my left. Throw with my left leg forward. Throw with my right, left leg forward. Up, to the right. Up, to the left. Up, down center. Move that ball around again as we bring this video to a close. And you can use this video as you see fit. That if you want to keep this pace, just want to do this one quick. I want to put some of these moves together just to let you think that it doesn't have to be really weak. You can still be a masculine guy and do chop tai chi. Think about that. My eyes are scanning the field. My eyes are scanning the field. My eyes are scanning the field. Our running back's doing the same thing. He's done a crouch position. Normally he's got his hands on his knees. Where he's got his hands here and he's waiting. He's just kind of shifting his weight until he has to stand still, and then he takes off. Until he has to stand still, then he takes off. And what's going to happen? I'll hand the ball to him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then some guy's going to tackle him, right? Some guy's going to tackle him. Some guy's going to tackle him low and pick him up. Tackle him low and pick him up. Tackle him low, pick him up. That's right. Pick him up. Pick him up. As you can see, I'm stepping out. I'm really stepping out here as I do this. If you can't step out quite so far, then don't. If you can't get quite as low, then don't. Get to wherever your mobility allows you. As you do this more, you can then squat more, and you can really reach out and do that pickup. Really reach out, do that pickup. Thank you so much for joining us here. If you get a chance to go ahead and review this video one more time, send this to your friends who are considering maybe Tai Chi, that are too masculine for that kind of stuff. Send them this video. Maybe, just maybe, it'll pull them into Tai Chi just a little bit more. Like, I'm out here sweating right now, and I shouldn't be, because this is early morning in Florida. What a beautiful backdrop. Wish I couldn't hear the interstate, but I do want to show you this while I got you there. Here's my view. See that guy there? Yeah, he's just hanging out with me today. Good looking bird, isn't he? Thank you so much for joining us here at Coolest Life. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe and send this to your friends, because I'm just out here living the coolest life. Tai Chi Football Edition.